Most people are using AI to write mediocre emails or generate weird-looking art. They're missing the big one, okay? Glitching the system completely, okay? They're missing the biggest wealth transfer of 2026. Now, a lot of people will tell you this, and you probably heard it through the grapevine, that this could be one of the last years that you're going to be able to make true wealth that is just going to be unbelievable, okay? This is going to be the year of wealth dominating, okay? So while everyone's fighting over crumbs in the freelance market, a tiny group of people is using a AI twist to pull in $5,000 a month on autopilot, basically. No, it's not drop shipping. It's not starting a YouTube channel. It's a specific glitch in the corporate world that creates a massive demand for something called localized AI agents. Today, I'm showing you exact 3-step workflow to set this up in 48 hours with zero coding skills, okay? Zero coding skills, okay? Look, welcome to Rough Draft Finance. I'm an absolute madman that's going to teach you how to get your finances on another level. Now, here's the reality. In 2026, okay, 2026, all right, every small business on earth knows they need AI, but 99% of them are terrified of it, okay? They are just so scared, all right? Specifically, businesses in non-English speaking markets. Italy, Brazil, Japan are desperate for AI customer service agents that actually sound human in their language. Large AI companies focus on the Fortune 500. They don't care about the banquet hotels, the law firms in Italy. Like, this is where you could come in. You aren't selling AI, you're selling communication as a service, okay? All right. Now, let's get some of this stuff off the screen here. I've got carried away within my shenanigans. Do apologize. All right, so here is the workflow on this. Use a simple AI scraper, to find local businesses with high Google reviews, but no automated booking or chat system. The agent build, okay? You don't code. You use a no-code agent builder like Relevance AI or VoiceFlow. You feed it the business's website, and in 60 seconds, it knows everything about that company. It's kind of like, think of it like super mode, okay? Like, it knows everything about the company just so quickly once you feed it to them, all right? Then you have the pitch. You don't ask for a sale. You offer a 7-day free trial. Once that business sees the AI handling 40 calls a day they used to miss, they won't let you turn it off. You charge a $500-month maintenance fee, get 10 clients, and you're at $5,000 a month right there. All right, that is the gist of it. That's the gist of it. So the scaling part of it, the force multiplier part of it, right? No one's talking about this part. It's the white labeling. In 2026, they are platforms that let you put your logo on the AI software. These businesses think you built a custom tech stack for them. You spend 10 minutes a month checking the logs, and the rest of the time, the AI is doing the heavy lifting. This is the definition of high leverage income. You're trading 0 hours for 5,000. Okay? Here's the warning, though. It's a limited time clock. Do not wait. This window is closing by 2027. The big players will have figured this out, but right now in early 2026, it's the Wild West. You have a laptop and a brain, you can outrun 90% of the workforce. I've created a cheat sheet for this with 3 AI platforms you need to start today, completely free. Comment below side hustle, and I might consider releasing it. Now, AI is the king right now, guys. This is the early blooming days of AI. It is developing a lot. Don't fall into the trap that a lot of people are falling into, which is this right here. Well, AI isn't fully there yet, so I'm going to wait till AI gets to a point where I can start, relying on it heavily. AI is already good enough today to do and pretty much optimize your finances to a measly $5,000 a month pretty simply. Now, I went over the method here in this video today, but there are tons of other methods as well. We'll probably cover in the future videos that even can be as strict down to also having a YouTube channel as well. There's just so much, okay? This is all the beginning of the new age. Welcome aboard. If you want to see things evolve like you've never seen before and see the world drastically become something that is unbelievable, this is the place to start. Rough Draft Finance.